Hello, my friends. Have you ever felt anxious but couldn't explain why? You go for a checkup and everything looks fine, but somehow your body still feels off. Anxiety doesn't always shout from the mind. Sometimes it whispers through the body. And often, the signals appear in the smallest places: your nails, your lips, even your eyes. They're easy to overlook, but they matter. Let's start with nails. Have you noticed them breaking or thinning more than usual? Stress keeps your nervous system tense, which can reduce blood flow to your fingers and toes. That's one reason nails may turn brittle. Some people also bite or pick at them without realizing it, a common anxious habit. Now think about your lips. Dry, chapped lips aren't always just the weather. When you're anxious, your body reduces saliva production, leaving lips drier. Many people lick or bite their lips unconsciously to ease tension. If they keep cracking, it may be your body saying, "I'm under stress," rather than your lip balm failing. And what about your eyes? Anxiety can affect vision in subtle ways. Eyes may feel strained or tired, focus may come and go, and frequent blinking or a shaky gaze may appear. Tension in the small muscles around the eyes can even make vision feel foggy. Beyond nails, lips, and eyes, the body has other quiet ways of showing stress. Jaw clenching, stiff shoulders, and a tight neck are common. Some people notice cold fingertips, a slightly irregular heartbeat, or frequent sighs, all attempts by the body to release pressure. These signals don't mean something is wrong with you. They're simply your body's way of coping. So how do we tune in? One helpful habit is a 1-minute mirror check each day. Gently ask yourself, how do my nails look? Are my lips unusually dry? Do my eyes feel more tired than usual? This isn't about criticism, but about awareness, like checking the fuel gauge in your car. These small self-checks help you recognize anxiety early, before it builds too high. What's powerful about noticing these signals is the chance to care for yourself sooner. Instead of ignoring brittle nails, dry lips, or weary eyes, treat them as gentle reminders. Drink some water, relax your shoulders, slow your breathing, or simply give yourself a few minutes of quiet. Each small act of care for your body also tells your mind you are safe. So, my friends, remember this: your body often senses anxiety before your mind can name it. The signals may be subtle, but they're worth listening to. When you notice them and respond with kindness, you care for both body and mind. You've already done enough for today. Now give yourself the gift of paying attention to those quiet signals, and let your body guide you back to peace. If this video was helpful, please share it with your family or friends. I truly wish you good health. Always, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for updates.